Quick video about the backyard. There's the side gate. There's the sidewalk going to the backyard. We have a storage shed. We have a apricot tree. It's doing well. Looks like it's going to be delivering some fruit this year. Busy hummingbird feeder. Lots of gazellas. I just planted this super blooming lilac. Genetically modified lilac, supposed to bloom every 4 months. More barrels. These are half wine barrels. Each one is about 4 square feet of planting area. We have 24 of them. Ray and I built these 2 storage sheds. They're a tough resin. Supposed to last a lifetime. This is our east wall. Here's a pink lady apple tree. It seems to be doing much better now. It had a lot of problems, but it might deliver some pink lady apples. This is a mighty fig tree, and year after year it's producing huge tons of giant, black, super sweet Turkish figs. Incredible. Lemon tree also just finished producing a huge harvest of very super juicy Myers lemons. Another storage shed. Plenty of room for all our crap. Another group of barrels. I believe that's mint. This is a navel orange tree. Still, it's been here since we moved in, more or less, and it's not doing very great. It's produced very few oranges. We get lots of aloe around here. More barrels. More barrels. This one, a lot of chard from this one. It's all connected to automatic watering the entire garden, including the trees. And this is the mighty tomato planter box. 24 by 3. It's massive. Ready for tomatoes. The end.